We're here at Collegetown Plaza to take a look at Studio Apartment 7I. Let's head on in. So we'll enter, the kitchen is on the left, and this is the same in the I and the K apartments. The kitchen is on the left. The other units, the kitchen is on the right. They're just mirror images of each other. As you know, the kitchens are all the same. Refrigerator, microwave, sink, stove, and oven. And over on our right is the bathroom. Let's pass by there. Bathrooms again all the same. The tub shower, the vanity, the toilet, and there's a small cabinet on the wall as well. Let's go see the rest of the apartment. So the apartments are all the same for these studios here in Collegetown Plaza. The difference will be the view that you get out the window. And then here on floor 7 is where we have the air conditioners placed under the window. So that's on 7, 8, and 9. Let's take a look out the window. We're pretty high up. So as you know, Collegetown Plaza, we enter from floor 4 on the main lobby level of the building. But from the west side of the building, we are up 7 floors on this side. We've got a gorgeous valley view. We've got some pretty clouds out today because a storm has just come through. So you can get a sample of some of the unique and beautiful views we have in here. This one, we've got the desk over on this side, dining table and chair. That blue door is the door we came in. There's the bookshelf, there's the dresser, there's the full-size bed. Let's peek in the closet. So again, these are all the same style of apartment. The difference will be the floor that you're on. You'll see a different thing out your window. How the air conditioner is set up. So on 7, 8, and 9, it's this under the window unit. That means that both of the windows will open and your view out the window. So we've got these gorgeous west-facing valley views here from up on the 7th floor, a high floor here in Collegetown Plaza. This 9-floor elevator building where we have entered on floor 4. We are located at 111 Dryden Road at this central Collegetown apartment building called Collegetown Plaza, and we are just 1 block from campus.